Here's how to connect an AgCam EnduraCam or RazerCam to a John Deere Gen 4 command center, or a Case New Holland Premium Cab monitor. Locate the camera connections behind the back panel behind the cab. Some monitors accept up to 4 cameras. When you're back there, look to see how many amp seal 4-pin connections there are. Why should you buy an AgCam instead of a CabCam camera? CabCam cameras generally don't last longer than 2 seasons. They're made in China with a plastic lens that will eventually leak and fog up, and cast aluminum with impurities that weaken the housing. AgCam, EnduraCam, and RazerCam cameras are the toughest cameras on the market. We've been in the business making cameras in the USA for over 23 years. Our cameras are built to last with a durable triple O-ring sealed waterproof design, a triple hardened glass lens, and a solid piece of billet aluminum. Now back to the adapter cable. All you need to do is buy a DMAC-JDCOC Adapter Cable from Dakota Micro. It's got an amp seal 4-pin male connector on one side and a Switchcraft EN35 socket female on the other. Then run the cable to wherever you want to mount the camera. Now plug in your AgCam, EnduraCam, or RazerCam camera into it and it will show up on your monitor. Gen 4 monitors accept CVBS signal from the camera and either NTSC or PAL format. Verify both of those before making your purchase. Once you know that, it's easy. Visit our monitor input guide on our website to see all of our adapter cables and more. We even have a whole page dedicated to them because we're that confident that we have the right cable just for you. All these cables are built to last, and they're tougher than a farmer's handshake. And they're made right here in the USA because we believe in building things right the first time.